Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of Talking eBay. So there's big news right now. I want to let you know that Terapeak is now on your mobile. It's all available on your mobile, 3 years, looking back, all on mobile. You don't have to be on desktop anymore. You don't have to go all around. It's all built into the new app. So if you don't have the new app, make sure you download it and install it and get it going. Apple and Android, it is available for both. So what does that mean? So Terapeak is a good search tool if you're out on the location, you're out on the road, you want to use it. And you just need to find out more information. So go to research on your desktop and you'll see product research. There's the notice right there about telling you that it's on your mobile. All you have to do is go to your mobile app, load it up, you go right. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Stick with me. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Do a cutaway to my mobile app. I'm going to show you where it is. You get 3 years of information. All the data is right there. You can do 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You can do a lot of different things. Things have sold, highest price, lowest price. So you can do a lot of research when you're in the field. So you're looking to learn doing eBay items, and you're looking to sell and resell, and you need to know what prices are. And that's what this tool is good for. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the channel. What I do is teach everybody a little bit about eBay, how to sell, how to make money, and also a little bit about everything when it comes to eBay. So let's open up your app, hit the eBay app, open that up, and you want to hit selling. Scroll down, see the right side, hit that selling button. And what you want to do now is just scroll down and you're going to see new product research tool, brand new right there. Right there is Terapeak right there in your hands. All you do is search right there. Type in anything you want to look for. If you're looking for a black cat, any special Beanie Babies, any special piece of antique, anything from 3 years is now available on your mobile device. This is a big deal. Really is. So use it, use the tool, do some searching, look around, and it breaks it down to a lot of different categories. You can see here, it gives you the price range, number of transactions, highest prices, lowest pricing, total amount. I mean, just so much data here. There's a lot of data here to digest. So look at it, practice with it, and you get a good idea how to do it. Make sure you have it set for 3 years, so you can adjust that. You can adjust it 3 years, 3 months. I mean, there's so many. It gives you all the data right here. Trends, what's happening. See 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 6 months. 1 year, 3 years. So you can just really deep dive into as much time as you need to figure this out. Something short term, long term, something selling quickly. That's what that's for. Use those tools. Learn how to use it. So I hope it brought you some value. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate everyone tuning in. I just wanted to make this quick update, quick announcement. Definitely download the new app. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next Talking eBay.